Hey beautiful people, today I am making a simple June plum juice. For this recipe, you will need June plums or golden apples, ginger, lime, water, sugar, and essence. Cut the June plums and ginger into smaller pieces, then add to the blender along with lime juice, sugar, and water. Blend until smooth. Strain the mixture to remove the pulp. A cheesecloth may work faster, however, the fine mesh strainer also works well. I usually double strain. Essence, then stir to mix all the ingredients together. This recipe is simple and easy to make. Let me know in the comments how you usually call this fruit in your country and if you will be trying this recipe. Serve the juice over ice or cold. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and until next time, stay healthy.